that better than anywhere, Fuerteventura. I live in these islands, so let me tell you honestly what to expect, and who should book it. Fuerteventura is the second largest island, but it feels wonderfully empty, a low, golden, wind-swept landscape that's really about one thing done to perfection: beaches. In the north, the Corrallo Dunes are a mini-Sahara rolling straight into the sea, and just offshore sits Isla de Lobos, a tiny protected islet with a lagoon so clear it barely looks real. Over on the west coast, El Cotillo has a string of quieter, more local beaches and lagoons that are perfect for families. And down in the south, Sotavento is